Welcome to Clikbank Pay training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to generate banner ads. Go to the left menu. Choose Create Banner Ads from drop-down. Now you are on Create Banner Ad section. Select your site. Select your banner ad position. Upload banner image according to the suggestion, otherwise your banner will look inappropriate on the site. Now insert your desired URL. Click on Submit button. You can see your created banner ad in Manage Banner section. You can also update or delete your ad. Go to Site, where you can see your created ad. When you click on the ad, it will redirect you on the URL you insert in banner. Thanks for watching the video.